Welcome back to Top 10 Den, the channel where we explore the most essential survival skills you need to know. Today, we're diving into a list of crucial techniques that can make a difference between life and death in the wild. From first aid to mental resilience, we've got you covered. So, let's jump right in and discover the top 10 survival skills you can't afford to overlook. 1. Basic first aid. Knowing how to administer first aid can save lives in emergency situations. It involves learning essential skills such as assessing and stabilizing the injured, performing CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation, managing bleeding, treating burns, and recognizing signs of shock. Understanding first aid allows you to provide immediate care until professional medical help arrives. 2. Fire starting. Being able to start a fire is crucial for survival in the wild. It provides warmth, a means of cooking food, and can be used for signaling rescuers. Mastering different fire starting techniques is important, including friction methods like the bow drill or hand drill, using flint and steel, or utilizing commercial fire starters. Understanding the principles of fire and practicing these techniques ensures you can start a fire in various conditions. 3. Shelter building. Constructing a shelter is essential for protection from extreme weather conditions and ensuring your safety in the wilderness. Learn how to build different types of shelters using natural materials such as debris huts, lean-tos, or snow caves. Additionally, knowing how to set up a tarp shelter can provide a quick and effective solution in an emergency. Understanding the principles of insulation, wind protection, and water management is crucial for building a functional and comfortable shelter. 4. Navigation. Navigational skills are essential for finding your way in unfamiliar terrain, especially when GPS or technology is unavailable. Learn how to use a compass to determine direction, read maps to identify landmarks and plan routes, and understand basic orienteering techniques. Navigation also involves using natural signs, such as the position of the sun or stars, to orient yourself and find your way. These skills enable you to confidently explore and navigate the wilderness. 5. Water sourcing and purification. Finding and purifying water is vital for survival. Learn how to locate water sources such as rivers, streams, or natural springs. It's important to understand different water collection methods, such as using containers or creating improvised ones, and how to filter and purify water to remove harmful bacteria, viruses, and parasites. Techniques like boiling, chemical treatment, or using portable water filters ensure you have a safe drinking supply. 6. Food foraging. Knowing how to identify edible plants, berries, and insects can provide sustenance when food sources are scarce. Learn about local flora and fauna, study edible plant identification guides, and understand safe harvesting practices. Remember to avoid poisonous or unfamiliar plants and only forage what you can confidently identify. This skill allows you to supplement your food supply and maintain adequate nutrition in survival situations. 7. Knot tying. Mastering essential knots is a valuable skill in survival situations. Learn how to tie knots such as the bowline, clove hitch, square knot, and taut line hitch. These knots have various applications, including securing shelters, creating traps or snares, constructing makeshift tools, or tying together essential items. Practice knot tying regularly to ensure you can confidently and securely fasten objects in a survival scenario. 8. Tool and weapon making. Learning how to make basic tools and weapons from natural materials is essential for survival. Acquire knowledge of primitive tool-making techniques such as crafting a spear, bow and arrow, or a simple cutting tool. These skills can aid in hunting for food, self-defense, and constructing other necessary items. Understanding the properties of different materials and how to shape them into functional tools enhances your self-reliance in the wilderness. 9. Wilderness cooking. Knowing how to cook in the wild using primitive methods can make food safer to eat and boost morale. Learn techniques such as campfire cooking, using hot rocks to heat food, or constructing simple pit ovens. Understanding how to prepare and cook wild game, fish, or foraged plants ensures you can efficiently utilize available food sources. Proper cooking techniques also help eliminate harmful bacteria and parasites, reducing the risk of foodborne illnesses. 10. Mental resilience. Developing mental strength and resilience is crucial in survival situations. Learn stress management techniques, how to stay positive and focused, and maintain a strong determination in challenging circumstances. Building mental resilience enables you to adapt to difficult situations, make sound decisions, and overcome fear or panic. Practicing mindfulness, positive self-talk, and maintaining a survival mindset are essential components of mental resilience in survival scenarios. And there you have it, the top 10 essential survival skills that can be the key to your survival in challenging situations. We hope you found this list informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below to share your thoughts and experiences, and make sure to subscribe for more exciting content on survival, adventure, and beyond. Until next time, stay prepared and stay safe.